Campfire Cooking in Another World Season 2, Announcement Details. During the anniversary event, the presence of Yuma Uchida and Satoshi Hino, who voiced Tsuyoshi Makoto and Fell, respectively, stood out. The two actors were photographed holding a plushie of Sway, sparking speculation about the return of the original voice cast. Although no formal confirmation has been issued, this gesture hints at their continued involvement in Campfire Cooking in Another World Season 2. Season 1, which aired from January to March 2023, was handled by Studio Mappa under the direction of Kiyoshi Matsuda, known for works such as Remain. Michiko Yokota was in charge of the series composition, while Naotsu oversaw character design. Music for the series was composed by Kana Udatane, Masato Kota, and Kirikorder Quartet. It is yet unclear whether these staff members will return for Campfire Cooking in Another World Season 2.